Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Football Manager 2023 not responding. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do is just simply check system requirements. So first of all, you should check out whether the game's system requirements are compatible enough with your PC configuration or not. So an outdated PC build or a low-end hardware specification will trigger the crashing issue completely. So you can check the system requirements below right here. So if in case your PC build is compatible enough with the game, then you can head over to the next method. Otherwise, try upgrading the hardware to become eligible to play. The next what you can do is to run the launcher as administrator. So first you should try running the game launcher as administrator of Windows to allow the launcher program and the game files to run properly. Not running the game or client as an administrator, you may find it pretty difficult to avoid crashes or not launching issues that require the UAC or the user account control access. So to ensure you need to follow the steps right here to do that. So right click onto the Steam or the Epic Games Launcher exe shortcut file on your PC and then select properties and click onto the compatibility tab. Then just make sure to click the run this program as administrator checkbox to checkmark it and click apply and then OK to save the changes. And then now you can just double click onto the game exe file to launch it. So you can also do the same step for the Football Manager 2023 game executable file to ensure the application has UAC access. Then lastly, what you can do is to update your graphic drivers. So make sure to update your graphics driver on PC because an outdated GPU driver may trigger multiple issues with the game launching. So you should try checking the graphics driver, update and installing it if it is available. And to do that, right click onto the start menu to open the quick access menu and then click on the device manager from the list to open the interface. And you'll need to double check on display adapters to expand it and then just right click on the dedicated graphics card that's active. And then next just right click or just click onto the update driver and choose search automatically for a driver. So the system will automatically check for the available update and an update will automatically download and install the latest version if available. And once done, just make sure to restart your PC to apply the changes. And then if you can't find any update, you can go to the official graphics card website and manually search for the update. And if in case a new version is available, just download the file on your PC and install it. And so that's it for this video and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.